Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm in 6th grade now and it is the 3rd week of our online class and we were asked to make a product in our Hele class. So let's get started. But before starting guys, you have to wash your hands for about 20 seconds or 2 happy birthdays. So today, we are going to be making strawberry flavored polvoron. So the ingredients are 1 and 2/3 cup of toasted flour, 1/3 cup of strawberry milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, strawberry flavoring, wrapper, spoon, and molding tool. So let's get started. So first, we need to put in the strawberry milk powder and the sugar and then mix. It honestly smells like strawberry. Then we will put some strawberry flavoring in the butter. Carefully, guys. Then put this. Pour this. Carefully, okay? It smells like butter and strawberry. Oh my gosh, it's hot. So let's scrape the excess. There we go. Then mix gently. It's satisfying. It's kind of like we're making slime. It smells like strawberry, guys. It already smells like one. I think we need to add more of the still mix it because
a few moments later.
So after mixing it for a while, it should look like this, and it turned out to be pink in color and it smells really nice. So next we are going to mold the polvoron using this polvoron molder. So let's mold it. Mix some. Wow, it turned out to, it's really so smooth, guys. And it smells nice. There we go. There, we made our first one. So let's make the other ones. So I made 36 of these. Then I'm going to wrap this up and I will be right back with the tasting and my special guest. So as promised, here are the finished product. I made 36 pieces of them. And as promised, I brought my special guest here. So everyone, this is my sister Bella.
Hi guys.
She's going to help me taste them. Let's taste them. No? It's delicious.
Delicious.
It's really yummy, guys. It tastes like strawberry.
Nom nom.
How does it taste, Bella?
Great.
Okay. Bien, how does it taste?
So it tastes like strawberry and it's delicious. And it's sweet. So I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit post notifications. And big shout out to my teacher Jeline, for inspiring me with this product. And thank you to my sister Bella for helping me taste the polvoron. And this recipe is made up with Bear Brand strawberry milk. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!